Are we rolling?
You're rolling, baby.
Do I look okay?
Dude, you look like a 10.
Yeah. Well, which one is it? A no or a 10?
It's a no. Bobby's 45 minutes late.
Are we gonna do this right?
All right, ready? Hey guys, what's up? Stop!
I didn't do anything, I don't think.
Hey guys, what's up?
But I have to breathe. I have to.
Oh, I'm so hungry, I can't breathe. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Franny. And today I'm here with Bob.
B.
And we are eating Domino's.
Domino's. Okay.
But we're eating some pizza and we're gonna be answering some questions.
Are they hard hitting? Am I gonna cry?
Maybe.
Aw. She called me like 2 or 3 hours ago. She's like, I'm starving, get over here. And then I did, but there was traffic and so I'm a little bit late. So everything's a little bit cold.
Because I was like, hey Bob, what time are you gonna realistically be here? He's like 2:30. He rolls up at 3:15 and I ordered the food. Like
I was talking about 2:30 Hawaii time. Whoa, where'd you get that? Are we just going for it or
yeah.
We're just gonna eat?
Just eat the whole Domino dog. Okay, what is your favorite restaurant?
In LA? Chick-fil-A.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it
it's a
really?
good restaurant. I like Cheesecake Factory.
I feel like Cheesecake.
Why don't you like any of these? My favorite restaurant's Domino's. Huh?
Where's the napkin?
What's your favorite restaurant?
I think, I don't know.
What are we supposed to do then if you don't know?
I don't know.
This segment can't continue.
Oh, what is it called, Bobby?
I'm sorry.
Tocaya Orgánica. What are you gonna be for Halloween, Bob?
What did you say?
What are you...
This is how guys think of Halloween. Day before Halloween, I'm like, oh, I'll just go get a beard. Yeah, I don't really care about Halloween ever.
Well, you guys should think of a, like, what would you guys go together as?
Grease Lightning.
Bonnie and Clyde.
Who's that?
Is there any secret you are keeping from each other or you kept?
You go first. A secret? Sometimes I just go into your room when you weren't there. No, I would go into your room sometimes. But it's just to like check if like there's anything I want.
Like what?
Camera battery,
Water
money.
bottles. Didn't you guys always steal her water bottles?
Oh.
Water bottles, yeah.
That was the biggest thing.
She knew that though.
Yeah.
All right, what's your secret, huh?
It must be something with the house. Or maybe something with a cap.
Me and Keen went to the house today
Really?
on Birds. It was super hot. It took like 5 miles to get there. And then we got there and Keen's just like, it's hot. He took off his shirt and then rode off. I was like, can we take in some memories or something like that? He just left. Oh, I know one. Wait, it wouldn't be a secret if I know. Never mind. What? Dude, these are pretty darn good.
I can't think of anything that I've kept from you.
All right, well, thank
Is
you.
there any secret you're keeping from each other?
There's me and Bobby on a bridge. Who you saving?
This one's easy.
Me.
It's me, Bob.
It's me, Dave.
Do you ever call him Dave?
I'd say both of you.
Oh, you'd save both of us and throw yourself down?
Yeah.
Good. Our plan worked.
If you had to eat one thing for the rest of your life, what would it be?
That's good.
That?
I like that. That's tasty.
Really?
Yeah, get one.
Yeah.
Get some ranch though, not mine though. I like to share ranch.
I really love, you keep spitting into the pizza.
Well, what do you want? It's right in front of me. Now I'm just spitting in my little pool of ranch. Now I have to eat my own
I
spit
honestly
ranch.
think I could eat pizza.
Forever?
Yeah.
You're like Miss Healthy. Pizza's good for you. There's tomatoes, it's a vegetable.
It's actually fruit.
Bread, the grain section, that's the biggest part of the pyramid. Cheese, it's milk.
Do you miss living together?
No.
Why not?
Do you?
Yeah.
You're saying that because none of your roommates are here. When I go home now, it's just me and Kat.
I can't tell if you're being serious or not.
It's a cold and lonely place. The lights turned off. I think I didn't pay my electric bill. So we just have candles. It's just me and Cappy.
Okay, can you answer the question?
What do you mean? Yeah, I guess.
Just saying that in front of the camera. He doesn't miss living.
Do you?
Yes, I just said yes.
Oh, you did?
Yes.
You want to move in together?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you do? What do you miss most?
About the house?
Yeah.
I think all of us just always like hanging out.
What about me specifically? In a house setting.
I think your company.
I think your company? Is that what you just said? I think your company? What's that mean?
Like you're
Why don't
nice,
you just get a cardboard cutout then?
but you're like a nice presence to be around.
That's very true. I hear that a lot.
Oh. Ew. When did you realize you have separation anxiety with Bobby?
That was for you.
I think since like living in the house, like probably halfway through the year, like seeing him almost like every day, and then just being really close with him, that when I didn't see him, I'd like always text
Yeah,
him.
you had it at the house still.
Yeah, no, I did at the house. Yeah, like it would be like a few months in, and because we were always together, and then when I wouldn't see him, I would literally text him and be like, Bob,
We were always together because I'd like get home or you'd get home, and then you'd usually go to my room.
Yeah.
Or, I mean, sometimes. Everyone would go to my room. My room was popping. It's just a place to be. It's a good vibe. And so,
The most damage.
yeah, most damage in the house. I paid like $2,000 to repair stuff. That wasn't even me. But, yeah, that's true. You'd like go up and like,
We would just sit
basically
there.
until we went to sleep and then you'd go down.
Yeah, we would literally, that's what I'm saying, we would do nothing. I would just sit there, watch TV, or I don't know.
Yeah.
We would
Is that a
literally,
good use of time?
probably not.
Yeah, probably could have done a lot of other things. Sorry, guys.
Yeah, we just didn't really do much. Okay, would either of you date a fan? I think I would.
You're sick. Oh, like a human fan? Hopefully there'd be a fan.
Yeah, right?
Like of me and you separately.
What were your first thoughts meeting one another? Where did we meet? We met.
We met at Keenan JC's. I don't know. We like talked. We had like a deep talk, I think, the first time. Cause you're like, I might move.
Yeah.
I was like, oh.
Yeah, I just remember meeting Bobby, and
What was your first impression?
you're just really nice. But it's different now.
Now I'm super nice. Yeah, I don't really remember you that much.
You don't remember what
I
like?
just remember we had like a deep combo.
But like, you don't remember like maybe like you're like, oh, she's kind of cool, or oh, she has a lot of problems.
Yeah, that one.
Okay.
Just kidding. All right, go.
I don't have any more.
That's all the questions? Do you have any questions for us?
Yeah, can I ask you guys questions?
Yeah,
Sure.
let's go David.
Woo! Okay, do you guys ever have a crush on each other? Like a friendly crush? No?
What do you mean like what's a friendly
That
crush?
means yes.
Like-
I'm like, no.
kinda like-
She's like, wait, what?
Was it a crush? No, I never had a crush on Bob.
Cause like a kindergarten crush, like oh they're cute, like nah, but no, we're just friends.
No. Okay, next question.
But no. 100% no. Not like in a mean way, but we're just
He's
always
like, no, she's just no.
We're just always like, we just
Very
always
close
talk
friends.
to each other as friends. and,
Okay.
like, about friend stuff.
Worst part about living with each other.
Dude, she's moody sometimes. Dude, if one of us knew she was moody, we like run to the room first before she got there and be like, Fran's moody, so just calm down.
Really?
Yeah, cause
I didn't know you guys would do that.
if we like make you even more mad, you'd like,
Well, yeah, like, cause if something really ticked me off, and then they all egg it on, I'm gonna freak out on them.
Dude, yeah. She wasn't always moody though, but when she was in a mood, like she doesn't try to hide it.
Yeah, so I guess that.
Yeah.
Another question.
Do you have any questions for me? Do I have any questions for you? Do you like someone currently?
Bobby knows who it is.
Who?
You know.
Me? You like someone?
Bobby, I told you.
What about you, Bobby?
How about
What are
you?
you gonna do about it?
Honestly, I can't do anything about it.
Tragic.
Okay, so.
That's cool. Next question.
How about you?
What?
Do you have a crush on someone right now? Or no?
I do.
You do?
Hmm?
I don't know if you're being serious or not.
I do.
Wait, Bobby, I want to know something. Like, okay, like the top 3 things you guys looking for, like look for someone.
Oh, I like that question. All right, you go first.
Top 3 things.
I feel like it's gonna be the exact same thing or something. You know, someone trustworthy, loyalty.
Same thing.
I know. And just sweet. You know, just a sweet person. Good heart.
Ambitious?
rocking hard abs. Yeah.
You know, I'm not really into like super buff dudes.
Really? What's up? You always say I'm not buff, but I am. Zoom in. Thanks.
Bobby does this thing that whenever I like look at his arm, he's like, "What's up?"
Well, she wants a show,
Every
so
time.
I give it to her.
Every time. Okay. Ambitious, loyal, caring.
Caring.
I also want someone who's taller than me. Are we talking about like
Super.
look wise?
Wow. Yeah, I guess if that's what you're into. I really like red nails on girls, though.
Oh, good thing mine are orange.
Okay, colorblind city, USA. That's not orange. What color are those? That's like stop sign red.
Yeah, they're pretty red.
Alright, thank you guys for watching. Oh, go for it.
Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. It got quite interesting towards the end.
It got weird, let's be honest. And I was not conscious about how I was chewing the whole time. I didn't think about it at all. It's horrible.
He was like, I don't know if you guys noticed, but he eats extremely slow.
I do.
Like,
This is my first piece of pizza.
every time we go out to eat, he is always the very, very last person to finish. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Go check out Bob's channel. I'm gonna leave the link down below.
The first top line, that's my channel. Click it and subscribe. Thank you. Turn on post notice.
Fanjo.co/Bobby.
Trailer.
Please give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on what video you'd like to see me film next with Bob.
I'm invited back to your channel?
Yeah.
Thank you.
We did great.
Really?
Yeah. Alright guys.
Alright guys, thank you.
Alright.
Alright.
Bob,
Stop it. Let me finish.
Alright
Alright guys.
Bobby, stop! Actually, you know what I want to say something though?
What?
That made me really happy when we were on tour with JC.
What?
A viewer came up to me and Bob, and there was a bunch of people just all around, just like we're all talking, and she goes, "Wow, I'm so happy to see that you guys are actually, like, your friendship is actually real off camera than
yeah,
like
that's
it is on, like, how we act on camera."
It's the exact same.
Yeah, like
At all times.
it just made me happy, like, just to know, like, you know what I mean, that people are like, "Oh wow, like the friendship isn't fake, like we don't fake it on camera, like we don't get off camera and then like, ugh, like okay, bye, like see you never, like we actually hang out." And
It's literally the exact same.
I just wanted to say it made me really happy. Put those push notifications on so when I upload you'll know exactly what I do. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Say bye, Bob.